Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today I wanted to share with you some new ingredients, quite the hodgepodge of them that I'm really excited about. Most of these I haven't really worked with much beyond sort of seeing what they feel like on my arm or smelling them, but I am so excited to work with them more. And so I thought I'd just kind of share a little bit of like pre-holiday cheer with you. Some full disclosure regarding gifting. Anything that you see from Plants Power or Essential Wholesale is gifted, but it doesn't mean they're not awesome, because they definitely are. So this is Sweetgrass Hydrosol from Plants Power, and I gotta say I really did not know what to expect when they sent this to me, but oh my goodness, I think the best way to describe it, it smells like honey. Like it smells like that really rich, sweet, gorgeous clover honey with maybe some undernotes of like apple pie and sunshine on warm grass. It's just amazing. I think if you like labdanum, you'll really like this. It's definitely not, really like labdanum a lot, but it has that warm, rich, mysterious, sweet, I cannot wait to make stuff with this so I can smell like this all the time. This strawberry distillate from Essential Wholesale is incredible. It smells so juicy and fruity and beautiful, a kind of strawberry smell that you didn't really think that you could get outside of fragrance oils is right here in this bottle, and it is stunning. It's beautiful, blended with rose hydrosol as well. That rose strawberry is just, it's amazing. This stuff smells great, and you don't need very much of it. It comes through really nicely at even just like 10%, and just like, it's so good. I have two other beautiful smelling things here from Essential Wholesale. So this is coconut pulp CO2, and this is a passion fruit natural fragrance oil. This passion fruit fragrance smells absolutely incredible. Like every time I smell it, my salivary glands are like, sweet, where's the passion fruit? And I was like, sorry to disappoint you guys, but this stuff smells amazing. And this beautiful Cocos nucifera pulp extract smells divine and is an amazing way, I think, I haven't actually used it yet, to get a really strong coconut smell and things that you don't want to have a ton of coconut oil in. I'm just, oh my gosh, it smells so good. These two essential oils from Plants Power are essential oils I had never seen before. So this is cognac white and this is cognac green, and they kind of smell like wine, like white wine. They're made from grapes and they smell fantastic, and I'm very much looking forward to playing with these beautiful little bottles of goodness. When I was down in the States in October, I got the Higa collection from Brambleberry, and this lingonberry spice is probably my favorite out of them. I don't know, I feel very fickle because they all smell wonderful, but this one is so delightful. This cranberry seed oil, it smells incredible. I really want to use it in like lip balms, all kinds of things. It has a really juicy, fruity, tangy smell to it, and it's just beautiful. So this is from Essential Wholesale as well. It's just stunning, and I think I might have to do like a cranberry theme for Christmas again next year. I've done it before, but never with cranberry oil, so it's just, this stuff is really nice. I also got some benzoate ester, so this is technically C12 to 15 alkyl benzoate for the inky, and it's incredibly lightweight, so I'm really looking forward to playing with this in some cosmetics and maybe some hair care products. We'll see. I've been using these two things together in a lot of makeup experiments that I've been, messing around with lately. So isododecane and flake resin, which is technically trimethyl siloxysilicate and polypropyl quioxane. Not a strength of mine pronunciation-wise, but this stuff is amazing. If you want stuff to stay on your face for an astonishingly long time, this plus this is great. This stuff is very difficult to dissolve, so you need to dissolve it in something like isododecane, and I found that isododecane is the nicest dissolving option I have played with. But yeah, great combo for things like liquid lipsticks and gel eyeliners and cream eyeshadows. These things are great. I have played with this a little bit already. So this is the OptiBlur elastomer from Lotion Crafter, and I have put it in some foundations, and it's gorgeous, gives this beautiful airbrushed finish to your skin. So this stuff is beautiful, and I should share a recipe with it soon. I've got a bunch of new hair care ingredients, partially for my Formula Botanica hair care course that I am starting, and then also because I was down in the States and I made an order from Making Cosmetics, and they have a ton of really cool hair care ingredients that I couldn't get in Canada. So this is one of the ones that I got from Making Cosmetics. So this is behentrimonium chloride. So I've done quite a lot of work with behentrimonium methyl sulfate as part of BTMS 50 or 25. So I'm excited to play with this. I also got some like more natural EcoCert considered conditioning emulsifying waxes that I am looking forward to playing with and seeing how they perform. I got some magnesium ascorbyl phosphate from Making Cosmetics. So this is a really stable form of vitamin C. So I can make vitamin C things and not have to worry about the vitamin C oxidizing on me really, really quickly. So that's exciting. I'm really enjoying working with hydroxyethyl cellulose. So this is from Essential Wholesale and Labs as well. This stuff makes beautiful crystal clear gels that don't feel kind of boogery and snotty like xanthan gum and guar gum can, and it really boosts the performance of your surfactant. So I have been making body washes with this, and the bubbles are just like insane. I've got a few other skincare actives I'm really excited about playing with. Some Q-Max coenzyme Q10 from Lotion Crafter, some N-acetylglucosamine from Lotion Crafter and Whitney Point. I have some from both. Ceramide complex from Making Cosmetics, and urea. And this, this is an Aromazone product, but I got it from Les Emfleurs out of Quebec, so I didn't have to do the international shipping thing. I've been doing some experiments with this PEG-free solubilizer from Essential Wholesale. I repackaged it because it comes in a large, like wide-mouthed jar, and I find it much easier to work with when it's in a squeeze bottle. But so far I've been having really good results with this. I've basically just been letting some solubilizer experiments at different ratios sit still for like 2 months just to make sure everything is stable and to get an idea of the type of ratios that you need to successfully solubilize with this. But so far I'm really impressed with it, and I'm excited to use it more. This last one is I guess kind of unique. So this is AQ Star M1, and this is a product that I was introduced to at SCS Formulate in Coventry in England when I was there in November. And so this is a starch-based emulsifier, and I haven't had a chance to play with it myself yet, but all the products that I got to sample at SCS Formulate had just the most beautiful slip, like just gorgeous. So I'm really, really excited to play with this, and from looking at their formulation sheets, it's effective at quite low percentages as an emulsifier. So I'm really excited to play with this. They did send me a sample of it, so thank you so much. So I don't know anywhere that you guys can get it, but hopefully if it's as amazing as I hope it's going to be, I can talk Windy Point into carrying it. I don't know. We'll see. I'm excited about this one. All right, so those are some of the new, mostly untapped things in my studio pantry that I'm really, really excited about playing with. I suspect you will see some things, some recipes using them surface in the new year. I'll throw links in the description box below so you can find the stuff if you are interested. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. Remember to check out my blog as well. I have over 1,000 posts there, as well as a quite extensive FAQ and the Humblebee and Me Encyclopedia, which has tons of great information in it. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.